Let me be brutally honest with you. Once a woman loses interest, most men do everything wrong trying to get her back. They text too much, apologize too often, buy gifts, over-explain themselves, and in the process, they push her further away. The truth is, losing her interest isn't always about something you did wrong. Sometimes it's about the energy you're giving her, the way she perceives your confidence, or simply the dynamic between you two. Here's something controversial. A woman can come back and want you again, but only if you understand the unspoken rules of attraction, and most men have no idea what those rules even are. They assume that proving themselves, chasing, or showing how much they care will magically fix everything. It doesn't. Attraction isn't built on effort. It's built on presence, confidence, and emotional influence. I want you to understand one thing right now. Women don't fall back in love with a man because he begs or pleads. We fall back in love when we feel the pull of a man who is stable, magnetic, and unapologetically himself. When you stop trying to control her feelings and start managing your own energy, that's when the shift begins. That's when she starts noticing the parts of you she overlooked before. So today I'm going to speak to you like a woman who knows exactly what goes through our minds when interest fades and what makes it spark again. I'll show you what she actually feels when you start changing your approach, and snorts how you can subtly recreate attraction without manipulation. This isn't about tricks or empty tactics. It's about real psychology, female psychology, and how attraction works in the real world. By the end of this video, you'll understand why she drifted away, what you need to do internally to shift the dynamic, and how to naturally pull her back in. You'll see that the power isn't in chasing her, but in showing her the man she could regret losing. 1. Stop chasing her. Start controlling your energy. Men often make the same mistake after a woman loses interest. They panic. They start texting constantly, sending messages to fix the problem, and over-explaining themselves, hoping to remind her why she liked them in the first place. But here's the truth. Chasing her only confirms to her that your value depends on her attention, and nothing kills attraction faster than neediness. Women are wired to notice energy before words. If she felt your confidence slipping, or sensed you were desperate for her validation, her interest fades. It's not about punishment, it's about how she perceives your emotional state. Attraction is emotional, not logical, and women instinctively respond to a man's presence, independence, and stability. I want you to imagine this moment. A man I was mildly interested in started sending multiple texts every day after I cooled off. He apologized for small things, asked if he'd done something wrong, and constantly tried to get a response. Every message screamed, "I need you to care about me," and honestly, it made me pull away even further. His effort was visible, but it didn't make me like him more. It reminded me that he was dependent on me for his emotional well-being. Now, contrast that with a man who noticed my distance, took a step back, and focused on his own life. He didn't call, didn't over-explain, didn't try to convince me to come back. But when we did cross paths, he was calm, confident, and fully present. He wasn't needy, he had his own world. Suddenly, I was curious. I wanted to know why he seemed unbothered by my absence. That subtle energy shift sparked attraction without him saying a single convincing word. Here's the key takeaway. Stop trying to chase her and start controlling your energy. When you control your own focus, confidence, and independence, she begins to reassess her feelings. She notices you differently because your energy is no longer begging for attention. Attraction isn't created through effort, it's created through presence. 2. Why she lost interest, and it's not what you think. Let's clear something up right now. When a woman loses interest, it's almost never about a single mistake. It's not about the small argument, the forgotten text, or even a lack of romance. It's about the overall energy and dynamic you've been sending her over time. Women pick up on subtle cues that most men don't even realize they're giving. Interest fades when a woman senses dependency, over-eagerness, or lack of self-confidence. If she feels like she has to validate you, or that your happiness hinges on her attention, her brain starts dialing down attraction. She unconsciously starts to see you as less of a challenge and more as someone who's available on demand. That right there kills desire faster than anything else. Another big reason is predictability and lack of emotional contrast. Women are drawn to men who make them feel something: curiosity, excitement, tension, or a spark of intrigue. If every interaction is the same, or if she knows exactly how you're going to respond every time, her brain stops engaging. Attraction thrives on unpredictability, subtle challenge, and emotional energy. Once that's gone, her interest naturally diminishes. Sometimes it's not even about you personally. Life stress, emotional baggage, or shifting priorities can make her pull back. But how she responds to your energy in those moments determines whether she reconnects or drifts further away. A man who understands this, who can adjust his presence without chasing, can reignite her curiosity. And here's the part most men overlook. Women often still notice value even after pulling away. They may appear indifferent, but their subconscious is always evaluating whether you're a man worth missing. Your actions, confidence, and independence during this time are more influential than anything you say. 3. The subtle pull. How women reassess attraction. Here's something most men completely miss. When a woman loses interest, she doesn't stop noticing you entirely. She just stops feeling pulled toward you until something shifts. Women reassess attraction constantly, and it's never purely logical. It's about energy, presence, and emotional impact. When a man steps back and stops chasing, a woman begins to unconsciously reevaluate him. She notices how he carries himself, how he interacts with others, and whether he's still the confident, grounded man she originally found intriguing. Her mind picks up on these subtle signals before she even consciously realizes she's interested again. That's why emotional energy matters more than words. Women also notice self-sufficiency. If she sees a man thriving without her attention, her perception of him changes. She begins to think, he doesn't need me, maybe I want him anyway. That shift is critical. Attraction isn't about proving yourself, it's about demonstrating that you are a man with value independent of her. Another factor is curiosity and emotional contrast. When a woman steps back, she starts observing patterns in your behavior. Are you reacting the same as before, or are you calmer, more confident, more unpredictable, in a subtle magnetic way? That contrast creates tension. That tension makes her notice the differences she didn't before, and it sparks the pull of attraction again. Timing is essential too. Reattraction doesn't happen overnight. Women process emotions slowly, and their desire grows when they sense independence, confidence, and stability over time. If a man immediately tries to fix things with effort or explanations, he interrupts that natural reassessment. The pull dissipates. The key takeaway here is simple. A woman's interest can return, but it must be allowed to grow organically. You can influence it through your energy and presence, but you cannot force it. You become magnetic by being emotionally steady, independent, and confident. All qualities that draw her back into your orbit without needing to chase her. 4. Rebuilding value. Becoming the man she can't ignore. Let's get real. If a woman has lost interest, it's not enough to just hope she notices you again. You have to become a man worth noticing, someone whose presence naturally draws her in without force. That doesn't mean pretending to be someone you're not, buying her attention, or trying to impress her with over-the-top gestures. It means reinforcing your value and presence in subtle, undeniable ways. First, women are drawn to confidence and stability. That means showing her, through your energy and actions, that your world doesn't revolve around her. You have goals, passions, and a life that fulfills you. When she sees that you're thriving without needing her validation, it shifts her perception. She starts to feel that spark she lost because she's observing a man who is independent and emotionally whole. Second, mystery and unpredictability matter more than most men realize. Being predictable, over-available, or too easy to read diminishes attraction. Women are curious about men who maintain boundaries, who have layers to them, and who don't reveal everything at once. You don't have to play games, just let her discover you gradually. The small moments of intrigue will pull her in subtly, reigniting interest without manipulation. Third, social proof and how you interact with others make a huge difference. Women notice how you treat other people, how you're respected, and how your energy influences those around you. A man who commands respect naturally and effortlessly is far more attractive than one who seeks validation or approval from anyone, including her. Another critical point, your presence must be magnetic without being desperate. That means engaging with her confidently, not overcompensating for lost interest. You show her that your life is full and she can choose to be a part of it, not the other way around. That shift in dynamic makes her reconsider her feelings. Finally, rebuilding value isn't about trying to win her back with words or actions. It's about being the man she can't ignore because of who you are, not because of what you do for her. When she senses independence, confidence, purpose, and subtle intrigue, she naturally gravitates back toward you. That's how attraction is re-established, not by chasing, but by becoming the kind of man who inspires curiosity, desire, and admiration. The moment she starts noticing you again, there's a subtle moment when a woman who lost interest starts noticing you again. It's not loud or obvious at first, but you can feel it in her energy. She doesn't immediately admit it. She doesn't even consciously realize it yet, but something shifts. That shift happens when she begins sensing independence, confidence, and magnetic presence in a man she once overlooked. I've experienced this myself more than once. There was a guy I had stopped caring about. I didn't hate him, I just wasn't interested anymore. He stopped texting obsessively, stopped apologizing for every little thing, and stopped trying to win me over with constant attention. Instead, he focused on his work, his friends, and his own life. The next time I saw him, he was calm, self-assured, and engaged without neediness. Suddenly, my curiosity was piqued. I noticed the subtle changes in his demeanor and felt a pull I hadn't felt before. That's the moment attraction began to return. This moment happens because women notice shifts in energy before they notice changes in behavior. When a man stops chasing, he unconsciously communicates value, self-respect, and confidence. Women notice this, and it triggers the part of the brain that evaluates attraction. She starts to think, wait, something about him has changed. Why do I suddenly want to be around him? That's when interest is quietly reawakened. It's also about emotional contrast. She remembers the old version of you, the one who chased, overinvested, or seemed dependent. Now she sees a man who is composed, independent, and confident. That contrast creates tension, intrigue, and curiosity. She can't ignore the difference, and her mind naturally starts catching up with her feelings. The key is not to rush it or overdo it. Don't send a barrage of messages to prove you've changed. And don't try to explain why she should want you again. Just maintain your presence, your confidence, and your calm energy. Let her notice organically. The moment she starts leaning in, you don't have to force it. You just allow the attraction to grow naturally by being the man she can't take for granted anymore. That's the beauty of re-attraction. It's subtle, emotional, and powerful. It isn't forced by words, gestures, or gifts. It's created by your energy, presence, and independence. Once she feels that pull, she will start coming back on her own, curious and drawn to the man she once overlooked. 6. Avoid these fatal mistakes that kill attraction for good. If you want to re-attract a woman, you need to understand that some behaviors will kill attraction instantly, no matter what else you do. Most men unknowingly sabotage themselves after she's lost interest, thinking effort alone will fix things. Here's the truth. It won't. The first fatal mistake is over-communicating. Constant texts, calls, or messages signal neediness and insecurity. When a woman senses that your happiness depends on her attention, her brain automatically lowers interest. She doesn't want to feel responsible for your emotions. Your value comes from how you carry yourself when you're not chasing her. That calm, independent energy is what sparks curiosity and attraction. The second mistake is apologizing for everything. Apologizing when you've actually done something wrong is fine, but men often apologize for trivial things, for taking too long to respond, for not being romantic enough, or for perceived mistakes in her eyes. This creates a dynamic where she feels in control, and you seem emotionally dependent. It erodes attraction faster than any argument ever could. Third, men often over-explain or justify themselves. Trying to convince her why she should be interested again is exhausting and unattractive. Women aren't convinced by words. They respond to presence, energy, and the sense that you are confident and self-sufficient. Over-explaining only reminds her of previous neediness, which makes it harder for her to feel drawn to you. Another mistake is ignoring your own life. Some men put all their focus on her, abandoning hobbies, friends, and personal goals. That's the exact opposite of what sparks re-attraction. A woman notices a man who has purpose, direction, and independence. When she sees that you're thriving without her, her mind starts to catch up with her emotions, and curiosity grows naturally. 7. If you want her back, you must change more than just your behavior. Here's the reality most men fail to grasp. Re-attracting a woman isn't about changing what you do, it's about changing who you are. Many guys think that sending nicer texts, planning romantic gestures, or being more attentive will fix everything. It won't. Attraction doesn't work that way. Women are wired to sense energy, confidence, and self-respect, not superficial effort. If she lost interest, part of the reason was likely something in your energy that felt dependent or insecure. Maybe you were too available, too eager to please, or too reactive. You can't just put on a better version of yourself temporarily. Women notice authenticity immediately. If the shift isn't real, she will sense it, and it can actually push her further away. Real change starts with your mindset and internal confidence. You need to value yourself first, recognize your own worth, and detach your emotional well-being from her attention. This doesn't make you cold or unfeeling, it makes you magnetic. A woman will notice the difference between a man who is emotionally dependent and one who is independent but still attentive, present, and genuinely engaged. Another truth: you must become the man she could regret losing. That means living a full, purposeful life with passions, friendships, and goals that don't revolve around her. You need to demonstrate without trying to convince her that your happiness is whole on its own. When she senses that attraction starts to rebuild naturally, she begins to notice subtle changes. How you carry yourself, your energy in social settings, the way others respond to you. Here's the tough part. This takes patience. Women's emotions are not instantaneously responsive. They need space to see the changes and process them. Trying to speed it up by chasing, pleading, or over-explaining will ruin your chances. The wake-up call is this: if you want her back, you must work on becoming a man who is compelling, confident, and independent, not just a man who is trying harder than before. Finally, reflect honestly on your past patterns. Where were you needy? Where did you give away too much power? Where did your energy signal insecurity? Face it, adjust it, and commit to being the version of yourself that naturally commands attention and respect. That is how a woman's desire rekindles through real transformation, not temporary effort. Here's this bold truth that most men need to hear. Women don't fall back in love with a man who tries too hard. They fall back in love with a man who is confident, independent, and magnetic, a man who doesn't need their attention to feel whole. If you want her interest back, your energy, presence, and mindset matter far more than your words or gestures. Reattraction isn't about chasing, over-explaining, or proving yourself. It's about becoming a man she could regret losing. It's about showing, not telling, that you have your own life, your own value, and your own emotional stability. When you focus on your growth, your confidence, and your purpose, she will notice. Her curiosity will return, and her attraction will follow naturally. Remember, this isn't manipulation or trickery. It's understanding female psychology. Women are drawn to men who inspire curiosity, admiration, and desire without demanding it. Your challenge is to reflect on your past behaviors, shift your energy, and show up as a man worth noticing again. That's when interest and desire reignite, organically, powerfully, and authentically. I want to hear your experiences. Have you tried reattracting a woman before? Did it work, or did you struggle? Share in the comments, because I'll be reading and engaging. This isn't just theory. It's about real-world understanding and growth. Step into your confidence, respect your own value, and watch how her perception shifts when you truly become the man she can't ignore.